Ophir Easy Mount is the only reusable focusing lens mount in the market for Amada laser machines. For assembling a lens into the Easy Mount of the Amada Pulsar MT laser, please follow these steps. Prepare a clean working environment with clear light, a pair of gloves, and cleaning paper which would not leave fabric residues on the lens. Open the Easy Mount by unscrewing the two metal rings. When fitting the lens into the ring, make sure the convex side is facing down. The convex side is the side with the dome. The word "up," which is engraved on the packaging of the lens, marks the top side of the lens. Take the Ophir lens and place it in the center of the bottom ring, as demonstrated in the video. The bottom ring is significantly bigger than the upper ring of the mount. Screw the top part of the mount onto the bottom ring with the lens in the center. In order to take out the lens for replacing it with a new one, unscrew the mount. The lens will now be secured in the top ring of the mount. To remove the lens from the mount, apply light pressure on the lens, as demonstrated in the video. Without any screws or small springs, Easy Mount features a turn-to-open mechanism, enabling quick, safe removal of lenses for on-the-spot cleaning, focal length adjustment, or replacement. Ophir Easy Mounts eliminate the need for an inventory of expensive lenses and mounts, and allow you to purchase just the lenses you need when you need them. For any further information or support, please contact the Ophir representative near you or email us at co2@ophiropt.com.